Yeah.
Look, Precious. Ooh, food.
Oh!
Look, food. Oh, she jumped.
What you doing, Precious? Is he teasing you? Oh! Ooh!
She wanted that.
All right, no more teasing. No more teasing.
Let's see if she'll jump again.
Don't put it so high up over her head.
Oh!
Oh!
That's so cute.
She's gonna hurt herself.
You gonna do it one more time?
Don't make her do it that way. Bring it more in front of her.
Precious,
What's he doing to you?
Ooh.
Okay, stop teasing her, babe. No more. I'm afraid she's gonna hurt herself. Oh. Babe, come on. Take him out.
Okay.
You deserve one, don't you?
Where are the tweezers? They're up there. Oh, she knows what's in here now. No, okay, I'll give it to you. Golly, I know you want it.
All right, they're coming. Remember, don't put them on the rug or they're gonna get stuck on the rug.
I know. Well, grab one out with a tweezer.
Did that pop? Ew. Where's your worm? You gonna get another worm, Precious?